Today we're doing a building inspection, and this is access to the basement. And I wanted to show you, and a lot of the old houses have it, but this is what you're looking for because all this moisture gets down through here, rain and water and whatnot. And look here, and my stairs are just totally lost. Totally just, I mean, ate up, done. But then we put a little paint and caulking on. That ought to fix it, right? That ought to take care of all of this. Really? Really? I think we just want another stupid contractor award year. Just look at that. Putty is not going to fix this. Paint's not going to fix this. Yeah, I tell you what fixes this. Tear it out. Remove it. This is a disaster. Thanks, folks, for watching our videos. Oh, I can't believe it. I just cannot believe somebody would actually be this stupid and actually breathe the same air I do in the world. This is super bizarre, super stupid, and it's actually shameful. Thanks, folks, for watching our videos. Galloway Building Services. Hey, hit like and subscribe and share with your friends. They're never going to believe it either. Thanks, folks.